Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today I am going to launch about our 9 days workshop on retail pharmacy business management. This is our one of the top demanding and one of the top growing workshop, because as retail pharmacies is definitely a good business to start with, but for that there are a lot of competition in the market. But how to start, how to grow in such competition, even how to expand, I personally teach you in this workshop. So in this video I'm going to tell all about the syllabus, then the schedule, then how to enroll, then what are the benefits, and some frequently asked questions. So let's get started. First of all, I will tell you the schedule. So when the batch will start? The batch will start from the 11 November 2024. Okay, 11 November 2024 till 9 days. Okay, excluding Saturday, Sunday, 9 days are the workshop, and the timing will be 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay. So the next is, what are the benefits of this workshop? First, you will get a certification of participation. Second, the live sessions are there, but still you will get a recording and study material. Next, you will get a free medicine list. Okay, free medicine list of the first order medicine, which is needed at the start. Whenever you are starting your retail store, what kind of medicines you have to purchase, we provide you that list free of cost, which is actually the paid if you purchase individually. Got it? Then the free consultation after the workshop, as we also provide the paid consultation personal, but if you enroll for workshop and you are workshop student, then we are not charging anything for the retail consultation. Got it? So these are some of the benefits, and even the practical task I am giving you, so that you can also do a market research of your area, so that you will get a clear idea how you can start, what kind of the challenges you can able to face, and how you can tackle it. Okay. So now we talk about the syllabus, what kind of the information we are going to provide you in this workshop. Session 1, what is pharmacy store? Then what are the advantage of pharmacy store, then pros and cons. Then session 2, how to find the best location for your pharmacy, how to calculate potential of hospital rent and property calculation, then how to generate drug license, documentation required for drug license, shop act, food license, GST registration, and eligibility to start retail store. Then session 4, role of doctor, chemist, medical representative, delivery boy, order boy, distributor, the relationship management with them, and how to analyze doctor mindset. Then session number 5, type of medicines, other requirements and their specification, patient counseling. Then session 6, how to start own pharmacy. Here software also we are providing software analysis. Then various campaign activities to boost the sale. Then session 7, profit margin management, credit management, expiry management, short book management. Session 8, how to develop multiple retail store from one. Then how to start own retail franchisee from the business model. So multiple business opportunity we are going to provide in this session. Then class number 9, which is last session, first order medicine list we provide, and how to arrange the medicines, how to maintain schedule, register, and what are the challenges and how to overcome it. So this all information we are going to provide, but how to enroll, who can enroll? Anyone who wish to start their own retail pharmacy, you can able to enroll in this workshop. Okay, whether you are pharmacist, you are non-pharmacist, but still if you want to know retail business management, you can able to join this workshop. Okay. How to enroll? The fees for this workshop is 1,999, which is constant throughout these batches. This is our 14th batch. Okay, till now we participant are 300 plus, and more than 50 per person started their own store, whether it is retail or retail plus clinic, retail clinic plus lab, retail chain pharmacies. So lot of things the students are started. So I personally help them, and even after the course ends also I help them. Even sometime I personally visit to the stores also, and some are videos you saw in our channel also where I personally visited. Next, how to participate. The fees is 1,999 as I say. So in the description I provide you the resume link. Just click over there. Okay. You can pay online to this number 9423272876, which is our official contact number. Then you can share your details like name, email, qualification, location to this number on WhatsApp. Okay, you will get an email confirmation, and also you will get added in the class group. Okay, so the frequently asked questions. So how can I get the certification? At the end of the course you will get a certification, which is soft copy. Next, whether this list is sufficient to start medical store? Yes, this medicine list is the all demanded medicines: allopathic, generic, surgical, homeopathic, FMCG, all categories are covered. More than 1,500 plus brands are involved in there. Okay, so you will get all information. and even if you miss any class, you will get a recording and study material also. Okay, so these are some frequently asked questions. So you can also join from mobile. Laptop is not needed. Okay, if you have, that is better. If you don't, you can join from the mobile also. So if you are interested, you can directly enroll. Otherwise, if you still have any query, fill the Google form given in the description or call to this number, or you can visit our website www.globalpharmaacademy.com, or also you can download our application where we are providing all information related to this various progress of our organizations. Okay, so this workshop is provided by our organization Global Pharma Academy, which is one of the top academy in the India, which provides various training programs related to the clinical research and business opportunities in the pharmaceutical industry. Okay, so I personally guide whatever I had experienced more than 10 plus year, all the practical aspects I teach you, and accordingly with the example also I told you. So you can see our testimonials, even free demo class, link is given in the description, so that you will get information how I personally teach and how this workshop will beneficial to all of you. Okay, so hopefully this video will bring more information about to you about the retail pharmacy business management. And if you are looking to start your retail store, if you want to grow your retail store, if you want to expand your retail store, you must have to enroll for this 9-day workshop on retail pharmacy business management. So thank you for watching this video. If you like our initiative, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, which provides various information related to the career and business opportunities, certification courses, interview tips. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues who wish to start their own pharmacy, who wish to grow, or who wish to expand their retail pharmacy.